Electrical wire crimp connectors are essential for creating secure, reliable, and durable electrical connections, preventing loose wiring and ensuring safety. My today's video is about top 5 best wire crimp connector that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at Kibak wire connectors. This 1,500-piece wire terminal connector kit is an all-in-one solution for reliable, efficient, and professional electrical connections. The kit includes a wide assortment of terminals, rings, butts, male and female spades, and fork connectors, covering virtually every common wiring scenario. Made from advanced copper with PA insulation, these connectors are excellent conductors, corrosion-resistant, and capable of withstanding a broad range of temperatures, ensuring long-lasting performance. Color-coded by wire gauge, the terminals simplify identification and selection: red for AWG 22-16, 740 PCS, blue for AWG 16-14, 610 PCS, and yellow for AWG 12-10, 150 PCS. This assortment is ideal for quick, solderless electrical repairs or installations at home, in the garage, workshop, or outdoor projects. The kit provides convenience, versatility, and organization in one package, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional electricians. Backed by friendly customer service and a satisfaction guarantee, this connector kit ensures peace of mind along with high-quality performance. Now our second product is Kibak wire connectors. This versatile wiring terminal kit offers a comprehensive selection of connectors, including ring, fork, spade, and heat shrink butt connectors, carefully proportioned to cover the most commonly needed types for electrical projects. Each connector features a premium copper core, ensuring excellent electrical conductivity, long-lasting durability, and superior pull strength, while heat shrink tubing enhances mechanical stability. The adhesive-lined polyolefin sleeves melt during heating to create a tight, waterproof seal, making these connectors suitable for both interior and exterior applications in vehicles, motorcycles, marine equipment, and ATVs. The translucent tubing allows for straightforward visual inspection, enabling users to verify proper wire insertion and avoid corrosion or faulty connections. With reliable conductivity, robust water resistance, and easy-to-identify terminals, this kit is ideal for automotive wiring, boat electronics, motorcycle stereos, lighting systems, and other DIY or professional electrical tasks. Combining durability, versatility, and ease of use, it provides a dependable solution for secure, waterproof, and professional quality electrical connections. Our third product is Kibak wire connectors. This 200-piece wire butt connector kit is a reliable and versatile solution for secure electrical connections in automotive, home, and DIY projects. Each connector is crafted from high-quality brass with a tin-plated finish, ensuring excellent conductivity, corrosion resistance, and long-lasting performance. The PVC insulation provides durability and safety, protecting against electrical shorts and wear. The flared barrel design simplifies wire insertion, while the wire stop structure ensures wires are positioned correctly for effective compression during crimping, resulting in strong, reliable connections every time. These connectors are practical for joining one or more conductors in a compact space, making them ideal for car stereos, household electronics, scientific applications, and occasional wiring projects. The kit includes 90 red connectors for 22-16 AWG, 80 blue connectors for 16-14 AWG, and 30 yellow connectors for 12-10 AWG, providing flexibility for a wide range of wire sizes. With durability, convenience, and comprehensive assortment, this kit is perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professional use. Now number 4, Kibak wire connectors. This premium electrical crimp connector kit offers superior reliability and versatility for a wide range of wiring projects. Crafted with thick, tinned copper barrels, each butt, ring, fork, and quick disconnect terminal provides secure crimping, minimal voltage drop, and high current flow, reducing heat and preventing short circuits common with inferior connectors. The one-piece copper construction ensures wires stay firmly in place, eliminating slippage and enhancing durability. The dual-walled, heat-shrink insulation with 3:1 shrink ratio and adhesive lining creates a 360-degree waterproof seal, making these connectors flame-retardant, corrosion-resistant, and suitable for underground or marine applications. Compliant with electrical standards, this kit is ideal for automotive, boat, home, or scientific wiring projects, delivering reliable and long-lasting connections. The assortment includes red, blue, and yellow connectors for 22 to 10 AWG wires, with 5 types: butt connectors, ring connectors, number 10, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, female and male quick disconnects, and fork connectors, number 10 stud. Combining durability, safety, and waterproof performance, this kit is perfect for professional and DIY use. And our last choice is Oyajuct wire connectors. The Oyajuct heat shrink wire connector kit is a versatile and reliable solution for secure electrical connections in marine, automotive, and general wiring applications. Designed for durability and waterproof performance, these connectors ensure long-lasting, safe, and corrosion-resistant connections, even in harsh outdoor or wet environments. The kit includes a comprehensive assortment of crimp terminals, such as butt connectors, ring, spade, and fork terminals, accommodating multiple wire gauges, which allows for precise and reliable crimps every time. The heat shrink design provides a snug, waterproof seal around wires, enhancing insulation and protecting against water ingress, corrosion, and accidental short circuits. Ideal for car, boat, or other electrical system projects, this kit simplifies wiring tasks for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its wide range of connector types and sizes, the Oyajuct kit offers convenience, efficiency, and safety, making it an essential addition to any toolbox for automotive, marine, or home electrical projects. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.